Flip challenge, first to fail. Backflip to stomach to back to feet.
Next challenge, standing full.
No.
Oh, that was actually pretty close.
Yep. All right. There you go.
Backflip off of the ice box. You got it.
Yeah.
We're good. Next challenge, backflip to front flip. He's gonna try front flash to back full. I think this might be his fail.
Whoa. You know what? I'm still going.
No!
Go for it.
Okay, front flash. You back full.
Count it. Do what you're gonna do.
Hey! Oh gosh.
Yeah. Staying on. Yeah. Swing gainer from non-dominant leg. All right, let's see it. Easier
yes.
than you thought. What are you gonna do?
Back full to all fours to front flip. I've never done this trick successfully. Yeah!
But you did it now in the middle of the storm.
No!
My challenge is flip, grab that hat, and you're done.
Flip, grab the hat.
What he has is too long to say, so just go for it.
Okay.
All right.
Please be his letter. Please be his fail. Yes! Yes!
Subscribe for Grimble. 32 degrees. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure to do whatever you want with those shiny buttons that give us money.
Please do. Thank you guys for watching and God bless.